Now we're going to add some content. So again, we're going to make sure that we are on our blog here. So we're looking at the main Tumblr view. Clicking on this little figure here, I can see all my different blogs. I'm going to click on Digital Workflow. That's the blog I want to be on. I can see here we've already started to add some content, so let's see how we did that. To add a photo, it's very easy. You just click on this photo button right here. I'm going to upload from photos, so I'm going to click over here. I'm going to search for my photo. I see here, I'm going to just use this as an example here. I'm going to say open, making sure that that picture is below 10 megabytes, also that it is a JPEG format. The first thing I do is I check my blog up here, so I want to make sure that I'm posting to the right blog. If your students post to the wrong blog, the class will never see it. So make sure they're choosing the right blog here, Digital Workflow. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to add a caption. When I add a caption, I always add my name, just because then when you roll over, you'll see that the name appears, and it's really a much more convenient way to quickly find students' names. And then finally, the second series down here, these are the actual tags that help to sort the material that you're uploading. So for this one, I'm going to call this one Tumblr, and I'm going to hit the return. Automatically puts a hashtag on there so you don't have to do it. And then you want to hit return or enter after each tag so that it separates them. You don't want to make a list with commas, but you want to make a separate tag. These tags vary. It just depends on what you called your original page that you created. I called this page Tumblr, so I'm going to say post. All right, so here we go, just updated. So you can see here, these are all sorts of pages that are in workflow, but this is such a difficult way to see it. But when I go to my digital workflow here and I update the page, I see that my new image is here, right? And when I mouse over, I can see Russ Horvath as a name. Now, this is everything. When I click on PHS Digital Workflow in the classroom, this is everything from all of that page here, right? But if I just want to see, like, it gets sort of overwhelming, but if I just want to see the things that are for the Tumblr blog, I just click on Tumblr blog now. And anything that is tagged, let's click on it so we can see it, anything that is tagged with this tag Tumblr will then populate this page. If I go to presentation resource, tracking student progress, I only see the things that are in tracking student progress. And if I go back to digital workflow, the whole thing, I see everything that's within that window, right? So it's a great way of sorting your material. So let's go back to Tumblr for a moment. Let's say we want to add a video clip. So I'm going to click on video, all right? And I'm going to not click on upload a video because you actually upload the video to Tumblr and there's a limitation to how much you can upload a day per student per person. So we're actually going to add a video from the web. So I'm going to click on that link and I'm going to look for an embed code. And so what I do as an educator is I have a YouTube channel where I have all of my videos uploaded to YouTube. And that's a whole different lecture. But basically what I do is I go to YouTube then and I come down here to the bottom and I see where it says share. I click on share. And instead of using the URL, I click on embed. And I'm going to copy this embed code. So Control C is copy. I'm going to go back to Tumblr. Control V is paste. So I pasted it in here and you can see it just added that embed code in there. Caption, again, I might put my name in here. Or this one I'm going to call it, adding members to Tumblr blog. So that's the title of it. And then the tag, again, I'm going to put Tumblr in the tag and I'm going to hit return. I'm going to hit post. So it'll take a second. So there it is in its own little package here. I'm going to go back to digital workflow. I'm going to refresh the screen. So here's my video. And again, now when I want to see just the stuff for the Tumblr blog, I'm just seeing the things for the Tumblr blog. And then when I click on this video link, it can play the video link right within my Tumblr blog, which is awesome because, again, it doesn't redirect the kids to YouTube right away, but it allows you to watch it here right in the blog. So it's, sort of like a one-stop shop sort of place. If you don't see this bar for loading things in your Tumblr, or if you go to the iPad app, the upload is this pencil right here. If you click on this pencil, you'll also get the same list of icons here for uploading. And it's as easy as that. So happy uploading and enjoy.